Hello everyone,
and welcome back to the English Playground. Today, we have an exciting video that's going to help you kickstart your English speaking journey. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Learning a new language can be challenging, but we're here. In today's video, we're going to cover 25 basic English phrases that you can use in different everyday situations. Whether you're at a cafe, meeting new people, or just starting a conversation, these phrases will help you communicate confidently and effectively. We'll break these phrases down into 5 key categories.
1. Greetings and introductions. 2. Asking for help. 3. Shopping. 4. Dining out. 5. Social interactions.
By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation. Phrases that you can start using right away. Get ready. Section 1.
1. Greetings and introductions. First, let's talk about greetings and introductions. These are essential for making a good first impression. 1. Hello, how are you? 2. Hi, my name is Sarah. What's your name? 3. Nice to meet you. 4. Good morning/afternoon. Evening. 5. How's it going? These phrases are perfect for starting a conversation with someone you've just met. For instance, hi, my name is Sarah. What's your name? It's that simple.
Section 2.
2. Asking for help. Next, let's move on to asking for help. These phrases will come in handy in various situations. 6. Can you help me, please? 7. Excuse me, where is the restroom? 8. Could you please repeat that? 9. How do you say this in English? 10. What does this word mean? For example, if you're lost, you can say, excuse me, where is the nearest subway station?
Section 3.
3. Shopping. Shopping can be a bit daunting in a new language, but these phrases will make it easier. 11. How much is this? 12. Do you have this in a different size/color? 13. Can I try this on? 14. Where can I find the item? 15. I'll take it. When you're ready to buy something, just say, I'll take it. Simple and clear.
Section 4.
4. Dining out. Dining out is a great way to practice English. Here are some useful phrases. 16. I'd like a table for 2, please. 17. Could I see the menu? 18. I'll have the a dish, please. 19. Could we get the bill, please? 20. This is delicious. For instance, when ordering, I'll have the grilled chicken salad, please.
Section 5.
5. Social interactions. 21. What do you do for a living? 22. Do you have any hobbies? 23. That's interesting. 24. Can you tell me more about that? 25. Let's keep in touch. When making plans, you can say, let's keep in touch. It's a great way to show you're interested in continuing the conversation.
And there you have it. 25 basic English phrases that will help you in various situations. Practice these regularly, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your confidence grows. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Don't forget to subscribe to the English Playground for more tips and lessons, and let us know in the comments which phrase you found most useful, or if there's any other situation you want phrases for. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on the English Playground. Keep practicing, and happy learning.